So I politely text her back and I said, I am not responsible for the damages of another tenant. Done. Oh, and I told her it's not worth $600.
So before we start this video, I want to remind you guys of the manifestation series that I started on my channel, looking for my home rental or for purchase. So we are picking back up on that manifestation house series. I want to tell you guys that I did manifest this cottage. I ended up moving into a cottage. I will give you guys a tour of that in another video. But guess what? Your girl has to move out of it, because I found out that I am with child and I do not want to raise my child in a small studio cottage. So we are back on the search.
How lot it is, how lot of that. I know I made a promise, but I take it back. On the corner with your niggas, but I don't fuck with your niggas. You don't fuck with my bitches, I should've listened to my bitches. I ain't got no time to be wasting love. The pain I've been through, always way too much. I know that.
I just washed my hair, y'all. My curls popping right now. It's growing back nicely. Y'all, I was supposed to have a lock consultation today at 12, and that's like right now. But the loctician canceled on me early this morning and rescheduled me for June 9th. So yeah, I'm a little heartbroken. I wanted my locks to be installed at least by the 5th, and today is the 1st. So I have on a really simple outfit today, y'all. Just a button down with some jeans. Gonna put my old favorite sandals on. They're so comfortable. So I had to stop by the post office. I have an order to drop off. You know, you guys, I sell oils. So if you guys are interested in some herbal oils, handmade, natural herbal oils, do email me, okay? Till I get a website up the street so I can look at this place.
Hey, Donna, can I help you?
Yes, could I please do the 2 cheeseburger meal, a large, with a fruit punch? So I just left from getting the key to the place I'm gonna look at, see if I want to move into. And y'all, I'm not expecting this place to be extravagant.
All right, and so basically we arrived here and there were like liquor bottles in the parking lot, then a busted doorbell. So I already knew like this was gonna be a no-go for me, y'all. I was just hoping that it was just like at least decent enough to move into, y'all. It looks decent from far off, but when you get down up into the place, it's like some serious issues, especially with the landlord saying everything was changed out and everything is, you know, it's ready to move in. Like, it is not. First of all, I've never came into a place like this that looks like this. When you claim your places are ready to move in, it is not. Look at this cabinet. The cabinet would even open. It's not even usable. Y'all, it's crazy. It is crazy. It's just small stuff that's missing, like that should be there, like necessities. Missing door stopper or whatever you want to call it that, you know, helps the door to close. Wasn't there. Pink bathroom. I'm like, okay. Holes all over the door, y'all. I didn't even show you the top of the door. It was like so many holes. I was like, what happened here? What happened here? The kitchen looked decent until you got up close. The stove was caked in grease. The floor was peeling. Y'all, it's just a lot of small stuff that I feel like could have been fixed before you show a place. And y'all, on top of that, they weren't planning on fixing this at all. They were not planning on fixing this at all. So tape was put over it. Looked like the tape been there. So that means the person before that stayed here, they lived with it like that. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, a lot of missing little stuff. Stains, sinks. Just small stuff I feel like wouldn't cost much at all. But yeah, loads of holes. Yeah, it was just a no for me. It was a no. And to say this place was in the middle of a neighborhood that is sophisticated, like why?
It's pouring down. I'm soaked. I just need to start keeping an umbrella in here or a towel. Do you guys like have anyone to like fix the damages? There are a lot of damages.
Well, we just spent a lot of money fixing it. What kind of damages did you see? Has somebody gone in there and damaged the apartment?
I have no idea. There's like, I took a video. There's like holes, like huge holes in the doors. The cabinets look like they're coming off. I have a video I can send you.
Okay, because my carpenter just spent 2 or 3 weeks down there putting it all back together. We have brand new carpet in there and new paint, and you said he just painted over holes?
No, the hose, well, the hose just look like it has a piece of tape over it. Yeah, it's just tape, but they're like really huge holes.
Really?
Like it looks like someone like might have put a fist through it or something.
So you're saying we need to spend another $2,000 or $3,000 on the...
Well, I don't know how much, I don't know. I mean, it's just, there's a lot of damages. I wanted to show you the...
Okay,
Yeah,
well,
I didn't...
I'd like to see it. I'll tell my carpenter. He's been working for me for over 20 years, and usually when he finishes a place, it's not damaged.
Okay, I'll send you the video.
Pictures.
Okay.
So if you're not interested, do you still have the key?
I returned it. I just returned it.
Okay, good. Okay, all right.
I was just wondering...
And I wonder if somebody got in there. We changed the locks.
Yeah, I was just wondering, like, if I were to rent from you, would that be fixed? That's what I was wanting to know.
Well, how many holes are in there?
I'm gonna send you the video so you can look.
Okay, and I'll send it to him.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Because we try to maintain our property, but a lot of people I rent to, they say, "Oh, we're gonna take real good care of it," and then they tear it up. And I don't understand why people tear up things. I don't.
Right.
I don't tear up things. I never have. I've been living in places that look like people walk in and they say, "Did y'all just build this?" No, we built it 25 years ago.
Right.
It looks pretty new.
Right.
That's just how I was brought up. I guess different. But anyway, I don't tear up stuff and put my fist through doors, and I don't do stuff. I never have done anything like that.
Right. Yeah.
It seems like that would hurt. It would hurt your hands. I don't understand why people do things like that. I don't understand about that. That's a different world than I live in, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I'd like to see what damage has been done since you just finished it last week.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
You finished it a week ago Friday.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
When I tell y'all it's been a long day. I really felt like my trip was in vain. I should have followed my first mind. Anything that's $500 a month, it's a no. It literally looked like it was ghetto. I don't know what I was thinking. But it was definitely a waste of a trip. I went all that way, a long way, just getting home. Did all of that to go and look and see and notice that the place was not it. Nice price though, but let me tell y'all, it was just, oh my gosh. Y'all call me bougie, but I'm used to moving into places that does not look lived in. Does that make sense? Every place I've ever rented looked like nobody has ever lived there before. This place, y'all, was not it. So much dirt. So much dirt. I'm not talking about a little. Like loads and loads of bugs in the window. Look like it hasn't been cleaned in months. Probably a year. Doesn't look like anyone has lived there in a year. It looks gross. It was gross. It's very gross. The ceiling fans and stuff were dirty. Caked with dirt. Just, y'all, it's crazy. Holes in the doors and stuff. And so I called her and I'm like, letting her know about the damages. Because y'all, I have never, ever walked into a place and seen it in that condition. Look like while people lived there before. And then you expect me to pay for the damages. She said at first it was $500. She was like, well, since we're gonna go in and fix all of these damages, y'all, it is like damages that's just ghetto as hell. I don't even think a ghetto person would accept this. Holes in the door. Then she proceeds to tell me how much money they spent already on fixing stuff. What are you talking about? What does that have to do with me? You say $600 now since we have to take care of those damages. Really? So I politely text her back and I said, I am not responsible for the damages of another tenant. I don't feel like I should pay for that. But thank you for your time. Done. Oh, and I told her it's not worth $600. Definitely not. If anything, y'all see this place. Come on now. If anything, you need to go down to 4 something. You definitely do. You need to go down to 4 something. I heard once upon a time it was $4.95, 4 something. You need to go back down to that. I have a massive headache. When I stand up, I get dizzy. My muscles need to be relaxed. They're not. The only way to relax them, I'm going to have to try to get some sleep. Hello. So yeah, I'm about to go look at another place. So I'm gonna get on this road because I got a long drive. I did want to stop by Starbucks before I leave here and get me some food from somewhere before I start driving. So. Y'all, I had to stop and get me a chili cheese tater tot. They was stingy on the chili, I see. But I'm on my way to go look at this house. Okay, so this house here is for sale. I think it's like $69,000, which is a good price for this area. Decent area, decent people. I really like the sunroom we saw previously. It comes into the kitchen. These appliances actually come with the house. So that's what the realtor said, which is great. You go into this dining room / living room here. Nice, decent. Y'all, I really feel like I could add my own touch to this house with small details, if you know what I'm saying. So I do see like this house is a little older, but like I said, with my little touches, I don't think, it would be hard or expensive to put my character to this house. So basically just get my earth tones going throughout the house. Different floors because I don't like carpet. I would like hardwood floors. Y'all, this 3rd bedroom, they made it into a walk-in closet. And I think I would keep the walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, look at all of this space. I could definitely see my clothes on one side and then my child's clothes on the opposite side. Absolutely. So yeah, we have this walk-in closet and then we have 2 bedrooms. So there's this bedroom. It's like a smaller bedroom. I think this will be my child's room eventually. And then the room across from it would be my room, of course. And, all of the, I would prefer like a central unit, like a actual AC unit in the house. Like not the air conditioners and the heaters that they have. But like I said, it's an older home, so that's why it's like that. But eventually I would want to add a central unit to it. I hope I'm saying the right word. So one thing that was like a little off about this house, we saw like some burnt marks at the top of the oven, the stove, I mean. The realtor said somebody accidentally burned something. I don't know, but that could be fixed. But I really love this sunroom, y'all. This is one of my favorite rooms besides the closet, the sunroom. And a nice, huge backyard. Ooh, who gonna mow this, though? I would have to hire somebody to mow it. She also told me that there are pecan trees back here. They produce pecans. Y'all, the first thing I thought, I could sell pecans during pecan season. Yes. One thing I didn't like
is the washer and dryer. The laundry room is outside of the house. So the front yard is also pretty big. Like, y'all, oh my gosh. So this is the Honice, Honice. That's the serial number. It's a selfie ring light. As you can see, comes with 2 little tripod came in that, and the actual ring light head. What is this? Okay, I forgot something. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is if you have a camera.
You might have to give me yours.
A camera?
Get that.
No, I have.
Oh, yeah.
My ring light holds my camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is. This goes there. So that's important. So they also have the piece where if you want to put your phone here, this can be moved. And it bends or whatever, turns, all of that. Pretty cool. It also came with a mirror. It's a magnifying mirror. Yeah, so the tripod is pretty sturdy. Tripod came with it. And this says a lot. You can wind this. Looks like I don't want to break it, so yeah, it goes up. So it makes this taller, even more taller, if you need it to. So this tripod is pretty tall already. Like I said, you can make the leg shorter. You pull that one in, just whatever. You can make it even shorter. It's adjustable tripod that comes with it. But the head of the tripod also comes up if you need it to. Yeah, it's pretty. Look like it goes up far. So that's pretty neat. Just wind it down. Yeah, so the knobs here are adjustable. This is how you put the ring head onto the tripod using these 2 knobs. Nice. And then the knobs on the back. This is the power button. And these are the adjustable buttons here. You can make it bright or yeah, like that. And this one does the same. So pretty cool. The cord comes with it. Just plug it in there. And it also has a USB back here. Yeah. And then it comes with a Bluetooth remote for your phone.
I know that I'm more than enough. I'm through catching feelings and I know you ain't gon' feel me, but I'm over it.